Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video, I'll show you I built out a complete Next.js, React.js JSON editor directly in the browser. So I'm running it inside the browser. As you can see, it's developed in React.js. So it has all the features. It can format your JSON code, validate it, minify it directly in the browser, single page application. So right here, this is either you can paste your JSON directly. As you can see, I pasted the JSON right here on the left hand side. It also shows me the total data types which are present. So there are 6 objects right here. You can view it inside the tree mode with the syntax highlighting. It clearly shows you the actual property, the actual type, like this. You can actually expand this, so it clearly shows you if you have a bunch of JSON inside the split view. And then we have a bunch of buttons right here. We can actually format this JSON by clicking this button, and JSON will be formatted. We also have the option to minify it as well. If I click the minify button, JSON will be minified instantly, and now you can simply see all the JSON has been minified. So it's basically developed in Next.js and React.js. So this is actually, you can see we are using the latest Next.js version and also the React version 19 with syntax highlighting. So I'm just running this locally, as you can see on my terminal. So if you need the full source code of this project, I've given the link in the description. You can directly purchase it. So once you purchase it, you will actually get the zip file from Google Drive automatically. All the components are divided into its appropriate TypeScript file here. As you can see, application has multiple components. So once you get the source code, it will be easy for you to see how I coded this application and also be able to add additional features on top of it and also modify the user interface if you want to. So this is the overall structure of the application. Each file has its own TypeScript file here. So apart from that, we also have the validate button as well. So once you click the validate button, it will actually scan the entire JSON and it will give you at this bottom notification that your JSON is valid. You can even clear out everything by clicking the clear button, and you can even load an external JSON file as well by clicking this load button. So right here now you can actually basically load an external JSON file that needs to be edited, and now again you click the format button. It will instantly, with a single click, it will format your JSON file. So it will save you a lot of time. If you purchase this project, you will be able to format, minify, validate JSON file in a single click. You click the validate button, and if you make, let's suppose I make any sort of mistake here, I forgot this bracket or comma, then I click the validate button exactly at line number. It tells you the line position 4 of 4.4, line number 8. So here, if I fix this by adding this, so once again, the JSON will be validated and you can minify it, format this, copy to clipboard as well. You can even compare it as well. So you can here, you can compare it with different JSON file as well. So right here on the right hand side, you can compare it. No differences found. So if you make any sort of, so it exactly tells you the difference between the two files. So you can even do comparison of different JSON files as well. So this is a split view. This is a tree view. This is the overall editor. So if you are interested, guys, you can directly purchase the full Next.js project. After purchasing it, you will be getting the source code from Google Drive automatically. So this is the full directory structure. I coded this from scratch. So definitely check out this. The link is given in the description. So I basically show you all the feature here. And then we also have the basically this feature as well. You can convert your JSON file into YML, XML, CSV, all these things. So if you want to convert this into CSV, you basically first of all need to paste it. You can basically bring the JSON file from anything. So if you are searching from a, if you're working with a API response as well, let's suppose I just paste it. So now it will convert this JSON into CSV. As you can see, you can copy to clipboard as well. Similarly, we can convert this into XML. You can see now it successfully converted and show the output. Again, you can copy to clipboard. So apart from these formatting, validating and minifying capabilities, we also have option to convert your JSON into YML, XML, CSV. So if you're interested, guys, this is a fully fledged single page application having all the features. It's an offline editor. It doesn't require internet. So once you purchase it, it will be easy for you to deploy the application and also run this locally as well. So definitely check out this.